Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. I'm your host, the Doc, GhostNet Guide. Continuing our quest on marine snow in the South Puget Sound, we're looking at Commencement Bay, Browns Point, over towards the east. How about Point Defiance, Murray Island, Vashon Island, Pinner Point. All these areas drop into a deep hole, so to speak. And if I show you here with the pointer, now you have to kind of be careful if you're a guy that likes to fish out here in the deep waters. There's electrical lines running from Point Defiance over to Vashon Island. But in this 95 fathom, 500 foot, we're moving along about 30 miles an hour, 25, okay, 15. Dropped it down and we're looking in a little over 500 and we're seeing the seafloor. Nice kind of a sandy bottom. Now there's a lot of mud out here too, just depends upon where you drop. And we're just going to kind of fly along, but again we want to look at the marine snow. How thick is it in these deeper depths of Puget Sound that divers just aren't able to access? And as you can see here, it's pretty thick. I've been watching it grow in size, not only in the thickness of the material, the width of it, as you can see here. As we move, continuing along, I think I saw a fish there for a moment. It's interesting though, just all the different chemicals in this. It's hard to say. If you've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you. We're studying the marine snow in Puget Sound. And each time that I do this for you, we'll have a new location and you'll be able to pinpoint exactly where we're at. Bye-bye, everyone, and thanks for watching.